Okay, so here we have a 2002 Triumph carb engine. This was actually out of an Americana in our gas bomber frame, hardtail frame, which is built for this engine. This we supplied as a roller to the customer. He's finished it off. Now this is a stunning bike. I can't believe he wants to sell it, because what he wants for it, you wouldn't be able to build this with the donor bike and the wheels, etc, etc. Now I'm not going to bore you with the full spec on this. Just go to the website, click on the sales page for the bikes and everything is listed there. All I'm giving you is a nice little once over with it. As I say, this is a great little bike, sounds great. This was at Tobacco Dock last year, got a lot of interest, and the owner also took it to the Waves and Wheels over in France, Biarritz. So it's been around, it's been seen, he loves it, I've ridden it. It's a bit too clean to take out at the moment, but I'd probably think about getting it down this month, get it out on do some miles on it, get some videos of it. But it's very unique, and it's this is a great little bar hopper. But basically under 12,000. I think it's 11.5, but again, very well finished, lovely bit of wiring, real bit of nice engineering on this with the back wheel. You'll notice it's got Sproxter kit on it, so the caliper, the sprocket runs through the caliper. It's got springers, as I say, a full spec on the website, so go and have a look at that. If you're interested, give us a call or an email. We can book you in a visit, a road test. You don't have to make an appointment because we're mainly in the workshops, but we can give you a quick tour if you want to come and have a look. So yeah, keep an eye out for this on a bit of road testing this month.